heater. And your heater comes with an easy to use template and fixing brackets. The template is made of a rigid material that will stand freely against the wall, and you will have the template for your 7 and 9 panel or your 5 panel. For a bigger panel heater, you'll get different template. Today we will be installing a 9 panel heater. We will be using the template for 7 and 9, which is here and here. Couldn't be easier. It's important to use a level on any installation. We are drilling for the 9 panel. At this point, remove the template and prepare the brackets. Now I just screw on the brackets. We are now ready to hang our heater on the wall. Installing a Farho heater couldn't be easier. If installing many heaters on a job, this Farho template really does come in handy and saves an awful lot of time.